welcome to our channel Rising Kids. In this video, we are going to see the curriculum part as well as a fun activity, and this is the first video. Hope it will be helpful for you. So first one is same and different, the second one is matching, third one is finding the way, and fourth one. So for first same and different, same and different, there is same object and different object. As we know, kids usually love to do matching, coloring, etc. So you can also use in this way, like asking your kids, what is this? So you can ask your kids, this is a ball, and is whether it is same or different. So your kid have to tell it is same. And again, with another example, you can give a ball and a bat, and your kid have to tell it is different. So you can just write yes and D and ask your kid to tick S or circle S whether it is same or different. If it is different, it should be D. So similar way, you can give following activities. For example, a star and a star, a star and a moon. And you can introduce them with flowers, with the fruits, with any thing of their favorite choice, and with donuts and a lollipop, a donut and donut. So whether it is same or different, or same or different. So this is different and this is same. Again with flowers and a flower, and with a flower and a leaf. So you can just give in such a manner for same and different. This will be helpful for your kids with few activities like this. Next one is matching. So matching is nothing but you can just draw the favorite thing of your kid and ask them to match. For example, a car, a flower, a lollipop, a donut, and a fish. So same thing you can draw in a reverse manner so that your kid will find out and match it in a correct way. So this helps your kids in finding the object, and it explores them very well in their curriculum. So a car. So anything, a rough diagram also will make your kids to understand easily. It's just a simple example for matching. Finding the way. Next comes finding the way is a very easy part for your kid, and they enjoy doing it. Finding the way. So imagine this is your kid. You can just tell them this is you, and you can just draw few lines for them in just like this manner, and you can tell, find out the ice cream, where the ice cream is. So you can just draw an ice cream over here and ask them, find the way from here to get the ice cream. So this is the way of finding the way. You can also draw in different formats, like different puzzle types, so that will be helpful for the kids for doing for puzzles. So next comes introduction of lines. For introduction of lines, this is a part of curriculum. So it will be useful for kids as they step into school. So introduction of line, it's of 3 types of lines are there. So first one is standing. Second one is sleeping. Third one is slanting. And the fourth one is not a line, but it is a curve. So you have to introduce even this to the kids. So standing line. So coming to standing line is from top to bottom. We call the line from top to bottom as standing line. It starts from here and ends from here. So you can give examples like this. You can draw a chocolate and ask your child with the dotted lines. You can give dotted lines to them and ask, you have to take this chocolate. So your kid have to start from here and end from here and end to here. So this is standing line. So you can give dotted lines like this for your kids at least for a 10 times, so that it will be easy for your kids to draw the line and it'll be easy for them to write alphabets and numbers. This is standing line. So coming to sleeping line. Sleeping line is again a line from right to left. So this starts from here and ends till here. So this is sleeping line. So for this you can draw a tree and a tree, and you can tell your kid by joining two trees. You can match two trees. So you can give dotted lines like this so that your kids will find easy to draw a sleeping line. So you can give examples like this at least 10 times or 5 times if your kids are finding it easier. This is sleeping line. Now slanting line. Slanting line is nothing but we have two lines of slanting. So one is of this type and one is of this type. This line is called slanting line. In this slanting line, we just make a rain, clouds, and you can give dotted lines for your kids. Dotted lines like this and ask this is slanting line. So you have to draw the slanting line over here. So this is slanting line, this is sleeping line, and this is standing line. So this is standing, sleeping, and slanting. Now comes to curve. Curve is nothing but a C format or like this. So you can give a dotted lines for your kids by drawing ears. So you can draw a circle with a facial figure and you can give like this. So you can just draw some like this, like a funny character, and ask your kid to draw a curve. So you can give dotted lines like this for at least 5 times, and again the curve like this for at least another 5 times, so that your kids will feel easier and it will be more fun for them to draw. So you can give again a stick figure with eyes, mouth and nose, and you can ask them to draw the ears with funny hairs. So your kids will find it easy and much more interesting and with lot of fun activities. So altogether, this is about the curriculum part of today's video with same and different, matching, finding the way, and introducing of lines. Hope it will be useful for you. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.